my name is Brian Johnson, owner and operator of Captain Lockpick in Traverse City, and today I'm going to be showing you how to unlock this 1999 Chevy Tahoe. The first step to unlocking this vehicle is going to be to slide your airbag into the door jamb. I like to start towards the top and just kind of work it in, up and down. Once you feel it slide in, go ahead and begin pumping. Watch for the door to separate enough to stick your tool in. That should be good enough right about there. The next step is going to be to take your long reach tool and slide it into the door jamb and try lifting up on the manual lock paddle. Alright, now that the door is unlocked, you're good to deflate your airbag, pull it out, set it aside, open the door, grab your keys, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching my video on how to unlock this 1999 Chevy Tahoe. I hope the video was helpful for somebody. If you have any questions or anything you'd like to leave in the comments, please do. And subscribes are always appreciated. Thanks a lot and have a good one.